Following a recent update, it appears that the Facebook app has introduced an irksome feature wherein it emits an annoying sound while scrolling. Fortunately, a solution has surfaced on Reddit that might save you from wasting precious time grappling with this nuisance. Essentially, all you need to do is disable the in-app sounds within the Facebook application itself. To achieve this, simply navigate to the bottom right corner of the Facebook app, tap there, and then scroll down until you reach the Settings App Privacy section. From there, select Settings and continue scrolling down until you find Preferences. Within this menu, locate the option labeled Media and toggle the switch next to In-app Sounds to the off position. By doing so, you effectively silence the intrusive sounds. Alternatively, if you prefer a more drastic measure, you could resort to putting your phone in sleep mode. Although this would silence all notifications and sounds, not just those emanating from the Facebook. It's worth noting that this issue seems to stem from a peculiar bug introduced in the recent Facebook update. In essence, this workaround offers a temporary fix until a more permanent solution is implemented. So feel free to give this feature a try and bid farewell to the vexing sounds that accompany your Facebook scrolling sessions.